Do you want to be a millionaire? Do you want to live your dream life? If you answered yes, then welcome to my channel where I reveal to you the secrets of becoming a self-made millionaire. Today I'm going to show you how to save money fast and easy, so that you can escape the rat race and live your dream life. Saving money is not only good for your wallet, but also for your mind and soul. As the billionaire Jeff Bezos said, "I think frugality drives innovation, just like other constraints do." One of the only ways to get out of a tight box is to invent your way out. So let's get creative and start saving. To save money, you need to follow these 5 simple steps. Know your numbers. Track your income and expenses every month and see where you can cut back or eliminate unnecessary spending. Create a budget. Plan how much money you have and how much money you need for your goals. Save at least 10% of your income every month and set savings goals for things you want to buy or do in the future. Reduce your expenses. Use coupons and discounts, cancel subscriptions and memberships. Cook at home. Compare prices. Wait before you buy. Increase your income. Sell your unwanted stuff. Start a side hustle, ask for a raise. Generate passive income. Learn new skills. Enjoy your savings. Celebrate your progress and achievements. Share your tips and experiences with others who are trying to save money. Remember, saving money is investing in your future. As Jim Rohn said, become a millionaire not for the $1 million, but for what it will make of you to achieve it. So start saving today and become your best self. You got this.